What we got going on here, Duty?
9 zones.
9 zones. 9 zones. 9 zones, lawn sprinkler. Nito, how are you?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Hot? You drinking water?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. All right, it's important. It's hot.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Jason, how are you? 3-zone manifold. Good work, guys. What zone you got here? 6?
Yeah, I'm here.
What?
3-zone here.
Yeah, 3 songs.
And where's the other 3 on that side?
3 songs. I think so. The water's coming there. The main line is there. It's 3 songs. 3 and 3.
Jason had 3 there, 3 here.
Yes.
3 are over here.
Yes.
Is that the one already done?
No, yeah, that's 9 songs.
No. Is that 3-zone manifold already installed?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. He wants the controller with the phone voice a little. So great, then he's going in already.
Great. Gonna talk to him.
Yeah, he's going to cut.
Okay.
He's inside.
Okay. How did it lay out? Good.
I made a little different. When he put a rotor.
Okay.
Rotor, but this is how big one.
Yeah, that's 18 feet, 19 feet. What was here? Spray?
I'm switch all the time the drawing.
That happens. You got 3-zone manifold over here? Yes?
3 by 3.
Was that a yes? Was that a yes?
No.
I don't know what that was. I asked Benito. Benito said, I'm going to smack that boy. Tell him, Benito. There you go. 2 zones in here or 3?
3.
3? 3 zone? 3 zone?
Yes.
3 zone, Byron?
Huh?
You running power through the shed?
No, still have already.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one's the reason I put a...
This you're coming out of the back of the controller. Okay, gotcha. I thought Roberto was trying to tell you and I this morning that everything was marked because he just had a shed delivered. Maybe he's talking about the neighbor. Because this shed has been here a while. That's brand new. You hear Roberto tell us that this morning? He said there's probably still missed utilities here, he said, if they haven't cleared it yet, because he said that Mr. Strawbridge was getting a shed delivered. But he must be talking about this shed. So maybe they marked both properties when they're driving the truck through.
Oh.
You guys gonna go down to the beach for Memorial Day? Going down to the beach?
I don't think so.
No? Edwin said he's gonna take us all down to the beach in his limo.
He don't like.
He lie like a rug.
All the time, go.
Water's still cold. Well, it's always cold, right? I love beach, but it's always cold.
But that sand gets hot this time of year.
Oh,
You come off Coastal Highway, walk down that sand, bottom of your feet,
yeah.
it's cooking. You want to run to get in that water. I mean, I ain't kidding. It'll burn the bottom of your soles of your feet. That sand really gets hot there. That's part of the fun going to the beach. Alrighty, guys, we're going to complete a 9-zone installation here today. What we got going across the street? Pool? Deck? Patio? Something? Oh yeah, patio. All right, Wilder, I'll see you back at the office, bud. Good work. All right, we're in Crofton, Maryland. What we got going on here, Graydon?
We're adding a zone, 1 zone out back.
1 zone?
But now Donnie's saying that there's issues with the wiring.
Oh, okay.
There's no power, I think, from here to the next valve box on the side of the house.
No power, Don?
Nah,
You losing it from here over?
I got power here, but it's nothing in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, something's wrong with the wire.
You got a ground off somewhere?
Here to there, yeah.
Think you got a ground wire loose?
Yes. I don't know.
Checking her out? Old school way.
Yeah, I got power here. There's no power in the back. Yeah.
Interesting. How many rotors, Donnie?
4 rotors?
4?
Yes.
One over here in the corner?
Yes.
1 here. That was marking something old.
Something.
Yeah. Maybe the drain line.
Yeah, it might be. Yep.
That's what that is, coming
That downspout.
downspout there, coming over here. Okay. Donnie's got this under control. Figure it out, Donnie? Got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
We got it.
Good deal. All right, we're gonna stop over and see Wilder.
Okay.
Y'all good?
Yeah.
Where you heading next? Service call?
Yes.
I have your backflip.
Oh, you got it?
Got your backflip, got your backflip, got your backflip. All right, we're gonna head around the corner here and see another installer in Gambrills, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching this episode of Life of a Contractor, and we'll see you next week with another episode.